Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week. Now, we're going to start off with the Japanese yen. The Japanese yen is looking strong. As a matter of fact, let's take it from the monthly because we do understand like it's a new month. Happy December, everybody. Happy December, happy December. I hope we have a great December. It's been a long year, man. It's been a long year. I can't believe it went that fast, though. But anyways, back to the topic. So we can see December. Excuse me. We can see November, the November candlestick. It's a bullish candle, giving us that bullish impulsive move continuation of this move right here, as prices pumped and then failed to break these highs, retraced. Now it's looking like the bullish move is continuing. And then if we take a look at it from the weekly, we can see how the weekly was shaping. Prices broke these highs, came all the way here. You can see these weeks indicating a lack of bearish momentum, and then the bulls took over. So for this coming week, I do believe we are going to be seeing prices pump until they reach EA high. Now, we do have a couple of structures that we're going to be looking at in the process of that bullish move. As in the bullish move, for the bullish move to be complete, the move we are anticipating is for prices to tap that high. Now, we do have this structure on the way. Now, this coming week, I do believe prices will reach these highs. Now, how they reach here is what's really going to anticipate if we're going to continue this move. Because should prices break above that, we're going to be looking for a minor retracement and then entries for continuation to hit those highs. That's what we're really looking for this coming week. It's this break and retest for a continuation. Now, should prices reject off here, then we do understand we'll be looking for a quick sell until this broken market structure here, where then we'll be looking for a possible continuation, or should prices break below here, a retracement and a sell-off to all the way down here. These are the possible scenarios in this coming week, but our bias is that since we have looked at it from the higher time frame, we do believe prices have a high possibility to continue being bullish. But all case scenarios, this is what exactly might happen in this coming week. Now, with that being said, let's see how this will be impacting the other currency pairs. We do have Euro JPY. I do believe prices are going to continue being bearish, as should we look at it from the monthly perspective, we can see the month has already closed with a solid bearish engulfing candlestick. So I'm going to believe, or I'm going to anticipate a continuation in the bearish side. However, as we have seen on the daily, prices are now on a support structure and have not yet broken it. So what I'll be looking for is a break, a retest, and then on the retest, that's when we're going to be taking our entries for the bearish continuation. Now, we do have CAD JPY. CAD JPY prices have already broken out of this range, broke below these lows, a retest. Now, we are going to be looking for a continuation for prices to tap these lows. And should the momentum continue, we're going to be looking for even lower continuation. So it's going to be crazy. It's going to be a crazy volume. It's going to be a crazy week, crazy week. I do believe the first 2 weeks of December have massive volumes as people are winding up the year, going on vacations and the holiday. There's always a massive volume right before it dries off. So we're going to have to take advantage of the moves. So that's what I'm looking at on CAD JPY. We do have USD JPY. From the daily, let's take it from the top. Let's take it from the top. From the monthly, we can see prices have failed to close above this resistance structure from the monthly. We can see prices tried to break above, but then were rejected and closed below. What does this mean? And it is also on this trend line, monthly trend line, a break and retest. Clear as day. What more could you ask for? Now, let's take it from the daily. From the daily, we can see prices have already broken below these lows. So what comes next is obviously a retracement on the lower time frame, and then a continuation to then sell off all the way until down there. So those are the pairs I'll be looking at on the JPY and what I'm anticipating it to happen. If you want to catch these pairs or these moves with us, be sure to join our free Telegram group, which is linked in the description below. The link is in the description. Be sure to join the free Telegram. So yeah, let's look at DXY. With DXY, I do believe prices will be bearish. As you can see, this is the daily. Prices have created a lower low as prices had this low, and now prices have closed below. So I'll be anticipating a retracement and a kind of a sell with my first targets somewhere here, right? Because the dollar is in no doubt in a crazy bullish move. Now, we can see it broke above these highs, these highs, these highs. So it's in a bullish move. We are not denying that. However, we do believe that this is a retracement. So where is the retracement going to end? My first anticipation is somewhere here. So I'll be looking for sells until prices reach here before we look for more bulls. But as of now, I'm bearish biased on the dollar. So how will this be impacting the other pairs we say? Euro USD, I'll be looking for a buy. Obviously, you can see prices have already started giving us those structures. I'll be looking for a buy, which is obviously a retracement until somewhere here. So should prices give us an entry signal? This is the 4 hours. I never really break down the markets all the way to the 4 hours. But hey, um, the break and retest, by the way, it looks like a beautiful head and shoulders. So should this break, how do we trade the head and shoulders? We obviously know from the lowest point to the neckline is the distance from the neckline to where take profit should be. So where should take profit be? The closest structure to this will obviously be here. So I'm going to remove this. So should prices break and retest here, we'll be aiming for these highs. So that's what I'm looking for in Euro USD. We do have GBP USD. Prices have clearly already broken above here on the 4 hour. So obviously, we'll just be looking for some kind of extension and retracement for us to get that continuation to hit these highs. So these are my views on the US dollar pairs and JPY pairs. If you are finding value, please give us a like, comment, subscribe before we dive into gold. Now, gold, our all-time favorite. Looks like prices were in a bullish move and then started being bearish. I do believe this is some kind of a retracement because of the way this is forming right here. You know, prices always have this impulsive move, retracement, and then continuation. Now, if you look at this, it's like prices have this impulsive move. This is the correction, right? Correction, and then we're going to get that continuation. So, excuse me, impulsive move, correction, and then continuation. So I'm expecting to see gold may hit this support structure. Should we use the Fibonacci extension as confirmation? You can see the one extension hits the structure exactly where it is. So I'll be expecting to see prices sell until somewhere here. That's what I'm anticipating with gold. My entries, should you decide to trade, will be somewhere there. As you can see here, we have a support, which will then be turned into resistance. So should prices break, wait for a retest and look for entries right there. Take a sell, make money. With that being said, I believe I just earned a subscription. Please be sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification so that you'll always be notified whenever we drop content. Till next time, guys, let's have a killer week. Let's have a killer month. I appreciate you for sticking so far, thus far this year. I love y'all guys. Take it easy out there. Cheers.